Hey there, wonderful viewers. I trust you're doing great. I embarked on a journey of shamanic breathing, accompanied by the rhythmic beats of tribal drumming music. After a few moments of this rhythmic breathwork, a sense of coolness enveloped me. A delightful tingling sensation danced throughout my entire body. My arms and hands embraced a gentle numbness as if they were wrapped in a cozy embrace. A delightful tightness settled in, akin to the solid embrace of a tree's bark. As I gently concluded my session of shamanic breathing, I held my breath for a brief moment. In that instant, a profound calmness washed over me, carrying with it a profound sense of peace and rejuvenation. My perception of the body shifted, leaving behind a mere collection of sensations, a cascade of energy and currents. Both my mind and body were immersed in an ocean of bliss, joy, and serenity. As the journey drew to a close, I felt weightless, as if burdens had been lifted and healing had taken place. That wraps up today's exploration. I look forward to connecting again in our next video. Stay well, take care, and farewell.